Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you and explain to you about this ton trading bot. This bot is a kind of bot where you use to trade ton, just like the bunk bots and Trojan, where you can trade Solana using the Telegram bot. So in this video, I'm going to take you step by step on exactly how you can use ton trading bots to trade and start making profits on the ton ecosystem. So please note, there are a lot of fake link out there. Don't go and click on the wrong link, or don't go and click on fake link. Under this video in the description below, you are going to find the link to this ton trading bot, and then click on the link. You are going to see this start button here. Immediately what you need to do is to click on start. After clicking on start, the next thing you need to do is that you have to click on this wallet part here, because now you have to set up your own wallet address. When you click on this part here, I've already set up my own wallet address. That's why you can see this wallet here. All you need to do is to create wallet, or if you have a wallet, maybe probably a wallet separately that you have separated in, probably on your ton keeper or your ton on my ton wallet, you can then import the recovery phrase of that wallet into this part below. You don't have to worry about this create X wallet, because this simply means that you are creating multiple wallets, and now you're a beginner, you don't need to create multiple wallets. Now just click on create wallet, and then you can create a wallet. Then you get the recovery phrase of that wallet. For example, if I click on this my wallet here, it's going to show me that show secret key. This secret key is what I'm going to input in my ton keeper or in my ton wallet. As you can see here, this wallet address ends with ZBG, which simply means I went to my ton keeper. I went to my ton keeper here, I click on this part here, and then I click on add wallet, and the next thing I click on import wallet. Then I copy the recovery phrase and I paste it in this place. After pasting it, the next thing that happens is that it displays the wallet. Then I click on that later part here, because I don't really need notification from this wallet. I already have multiple wallets here already. And then the next thing is that the wallet opens for me, and as you can see, this wallet also ends with ZBG, which I imported the wallet from the Telegram into this my ton keeper. So as you can see here, now you already understand your wallet address. This is your wallet address, and that is also the wallet address in the ton keeper, because I already imported the recovery phrase from this place to that place. So then click on the back button. Now you have the interface, or you have where you want to work with. Now, in case you want to trade on this part here, the next thing you need to do is to copy the contract address of any kind of token or coin that you want to trade, or cryptocurrency that you want to trade on this Telegram bot. Now, I'm going to take you to where you are going to actually get any kind of contract address in case you want to trade on your own. Although in my group, I'm going to be dropping trading signals for you, so that you can also trade alongside with us in the group. So you can get my group link from the description below. You can get my Telegram group link and my WhatsApp group link. They are both channels. You can join and stay active, and then get daily signal, or anytime I drop signal in the group. So now let's get started, and let's start trading immediately. Now go to your browser and search for deskscreener.com. Click on deskscreener.com, and the next thing you are going to have is this part here. After getting to this part, wait for it to load. Click on verify that you are human, and then immediately it's going to open for you. The next thing you need to click is click on this explore part here, and then you're going to see Solana here, which is very popular, that people usually use to trade. And now this is the ton part. Click on ton, and then you can get any coin that you wish from this place. You can find Notcoin here. As you can see, Notcoin is also part of the trending majors and many others. For example, let us pick major as example. Let us click on major, and after clicking on major, we can see different things that major has done in 24 hours, in 6 hours, in 3 hours, so different thing like that. Now this is the current market cap of this major, and then this is the liquidity and many other things you need to know. Now you need to scroll down like this, and then find this part here. This is where you're going to find the contract address. You can do this same thing to any coin of your choice. Now copy this contract address, and then you can come to this part here, and you can click on it, and then paste in the contract address, and immediately it's going to open the details of the particular coin that you chose. Currently we chose major, as you know. Now you can see this is major. Now this is the address, then this is the price currently of major. Now, so as you can see, market cap and the liquidity pool. So liquidity pool logged, no. So different things that you need to know. Now We cannot currently trade now because the reason is that I have not currently found my wallet. So you as a trader, you should understand that your wallet has to be funded. Now let us go ahead and fund our wallet. So the next thing we need to do is to click on this close part here, and then we click on this wallet. Go to the wallet address, copy your wallet address, or you can also find the wallet address in your Tonkeeper, as you know, or maybe your Ton wallet. This is the wallet address here, as you can see. Then you can go to anywhere you have fund, or go to a buyer, or anywhere. Just make sure you get your wallet funded. So you can also go to P2P on Bybit, which I explained the video. You can also find the video in the description. Then put the wallet. Currently, I'm going to fund this thing with a sum of 2 tons. Now, this is 2 tons here. 2 tons currently worth $12, $12.8. Then click on it. Then approve the transaction. And then immediately, this ton is going to be sent into my trading bot. Now, let us click on this part here. We go to the trading bot here. Then we refresh it multiple times. And immediately, it's going to display. As you can see in this trading bot here, this has already displayed. Now, this our trading bot is already funded and we have money in it. How do we know? Let us check into this trading bot. You can see received, which is 2 ton. Now, we can also close this part here and then refresh to see your balance here. As you can see this balance part here, click on it and then you can see the balance, which is 2 ton. Now, let us go back to the desk screener and let us choose whatever coin we want to trade. So currently I'm going to look for Notcoin. Then let's click on Notcoin because Notcoin is one of who is also popular. Most people know about Notcoin. So let me use Notcoin as an example. So copy this, then come to this part here and then place it here, then click here. Now we have series of things here to do, and most of the things you need to only put your eyes on after checking all these things, as you can see here. And then you just look at it and say, okay, how many ton or how many ton do you want to use to trade? As you can see, this place means that 50 ton, 1 ton, 10 ton, 100 ton, X ton. X ton means that you should choose the amount of ton you want to. So I'll currently use 1 ton. Now let me click on the X ton and put the amount of ton. Let me just want to use 1 ton to trade Notcoin. Then click on send. So immediately we are already trading. So this says buying 1 ton, which is equals to 781 Notcoin. So this is the refresh part here, which here you can actually refresh in this place, and then so automatically this thing has already pinned my current trading. If you come here, so this is the current trading that we're having. You have 785.9 knots unconfirmed. So after a few minutes, I see that this thing is already trading automatically. Now initiating 1 ton, as you can see here. So it is already trading. So this is the duration. So now as you can see here, this is currently the trading duration and this is the trading information. And then if you click on this share here, you're going to see your PNL. So as you can see, this is currently minus 1%, and as time goes on, it's going to keep increasing, as you all know. So this is this picture. You can actually click on this picture and then you can save this picture and share with friends. So now you can also click on this part here to go back to the former part here. Then you can also see this position. This position will show you all your trading history or trading information. I mean the current trading information. Then you click on it and you're going to bring out that I'm currently trading on Notcoin, as you can see here. And then this is the initial and all the information that you need to know. You understand? So in case you now want to close the trade or you want to sell, or maybe you are okay with the profit you are making, or you just want to close this trade, then you have to click on swap again. Then when you click on swap, then it's going to bring out this information asking you how much you want to sell. For example, you're going to click on this sell mode here. So as you can see here, you click on this sell mode. Then when you click on the sell mode, it's going to bring out this information that you currently have. So this is the ton and this is the Notcoin. So and those are the values in dollars. So here you are also asked that you want to sell 25%, 50%, or you want to set sell limits, or you want to sell 75% or 100%. So if you click on this 100%, it's going to sell everything, and then it will go, you get your ton back into your balance. But if you click on S%, that means you have to select the amount of percentage. Maybe the amount of percent is not stated there, and you want to set your own desired percentage that you want to sell. If you also go back to your Tonkeeper and you go to the wallet which you imported in your Tonkeeper, you're going to also see this trading information. So this is currently my Tonkeeper. If I refresh my Tonkeeper here, you're going to see that it is currently trading Notcoin. So what you are performing in the Telegram bot is also displaying here. So if you click on sell there, to automatically sell this back into this ton. Let me make an example of closing this trade. I'll just click on 100% and then boom, this trade is already swapped. It's already selling back into ton. It has already sold this amount of NOT coin into ton again, as you can see here. Then if you go back to your ton keeper and then you refresh it, you're going to find out that you already received back the amount of ton. So these Telegram bots only make this trading to be easy, simple, and more effective to use. I hope this video makes you learn a lot about this trading bots, an easy way for you to get your contract address and start trading on this ton trading bot. So give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also share with your friend who also love to make money online. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification beside the subscribe button so as for you to be notified anytime I upload new video on this channel.